Okay, we did an Instagram video that got more views than Cletus McFarland, featuring 4 chicks flying carbon cubs all the way across America. Now we got 3 of them. We're missing one all the way back to Yakima. Who we got here?
I'm Jackie.
I'm Tyler.
I'm Gracie.
Let's go by the individual airplanes and have them tell their story. Okay, Jackie brought the NX Cub, the nose wheel model, over here. How did you get into aviation? How did you get this gig flying this airplane out here?
So in 2018, I met a young man who was building a Carbon Cub EX2. I helped him finish putting it together. I had no ambitions of becoming a pilot until I got a cancer scare.
Oh,
and then
well, welcome to the club.
Oh, geez,
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good club. But anyways, I thought, okay, I'm afraid of flying, so I should probably do it.
Yeah.
And so that's what got me started here with flying. I said yes, and I kept saying yes, and now I got to fly this amazing NX Cub in here to Oshkosh, and it's my first time flying into Oshkosh. So
outstanding job.
Yeah.
And you guys all went together, all 4 of you?
Yep.
Kind of stayed together as a group?
Yep, we were a loose gaggle.
And like a 2-day adventure?
We did it over 3 days. There's about 1,500 nautical miles, and it was a blast.
Yeah,
Couldn't
grand
have been more
adventure.
fun. Yeah,
good,
very
good.
grand.
And you're going to do it all the way on the way back home too,
That's
right?
the plan.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Jackie.
Thanks.
This is Tyler. You brought this airplane to EX2. We ran into you on day 1 at Hangar 180 in Lewiston, Idaho. What's your aviation story in 5 minutes or less?
So I got into aviation from my dad at a very young age. He had a 206, and we always went airplane camping up the river. And a little time passed by, and I kind of got out of aviation. Then my dad asked me if I wanted to come wrench on the Warbirds, and of course I said yeah. So I went and did that, and eventually got my pilot's license through some local friends, and they're now pilots for us. And we met Brad in 2022, bringing a de Havilland Beaver over here, and that's how we got associated with CubCrafters. And now this is my 3rd year being able to fly Cubs over to Oshkosh for them.
A regular ferry pilot. Tyler in the EX2. Thanks, Tyler.
Yeah, you bet.
This is Gracie flying the UL Cub, the blue one that Cletus was ripping around in, right?
Yep, he got a little bit of a ride before I did in this one. So.
And tell us your story. How'd you get into aviation?
I was flying with my dad for a little bit, maybe in middle school or so, being a little bit of a truck dog, taking time off from school to help him out with some deals and stuff in his 182. Ended up finishing up high school, figuring out what to get into for college, and I wanted to do something cool, so aviation became a thing. And through the aviation program at Central Washington University, I met CubCrafters.
Yeah.
And met one of their dealers, and they helped me get a job here, and now I get to fly these planes.
Wow, and you're full-time with CubCrafters,
I'm
right?
full-time, yes, and I'm their delivery coordinator for them.
Wow, so you're the one that gets the planes moved to the new customers.
I get to fly the brand new planes, yes.
Wow,
It's
that's a great gig.
Yeah.
Thanks, Gracie.
Yeah, thank you.
Uh-huh. So these young ladies are a great example of you never know where your aviation journey is going to take you, but you got to stick with it. And if you want to continue to follow their journeys back to Yakima and further, Jackie, where do they go?
Follow us on CubCrafters and CubCrafters on Facebook and Instagram.
Great. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
See you here.